Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2 guided project 2-3. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I will do this assignment step by step and you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. I can do Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Access. So if you are busy or if you are not able to do your assignments, then you can easily contact me and I am available for your help. I will provide you a plus grade in your all projects. So don't worry about work, just relax, enjoy, and give me your task. Now start the assignment step by step. Step to complete this project. Okay. Step 1 is open the workbook SPCCD2 Excel start file. If workbook open in protected view, click enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your range. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have already saved my Excel file. You can see that. Question number 2 is create range name for the workbook. Okay. Step A is select the student loan sheet and select cell B5 to C8. So go to the Excel worksheet and select student loan sheet. This is student loan sheet. Okay. And copy this range. Select this range. Part B is press Ctrl and select cell E5 to F7. So first copy this range and press Ctrl and select this range. So part C is click create from selection button formula tab define name group. So go to Excel worksheet and go to formula tab and you can see create from selection button in define group. Click this. So part D is verify that left column box in create name from selection dialog box is selected. So go to Excel worksheet and you can see that left column box is selected. Okay. Part E, deselect the top row box if it checked and click OK. So here we can see that top row box is already deselected. Our part E is complete and then click OK. So just click OK. Click the name manager button formula tab define name group to view the name in the name manager dialog box. Notice that cell reference are absolute. So just click name manager button that is in formula tab. Okay, this is name manager button in define name group. Click on this and verify this image. Student loan $C $5, student loan $C $6. Okay, student loan $C $5. So you can verify that I have already verified. Okay, click close and click close. Question number 2 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 3. Question number 3 is enter a PMT function. Part A is select cell C8. So select cell C8. This is cell C8. Part B is click financial button, formula tab, function library group and select EM. So I will click the financial button that is in formula tab and in function library. So this is financial button. Just click this and you will see PMT function. This is PMT function and click it. Part C is click the rate box if necessary and click cell C7. The name rate is substituted range name or absolute reference. So just click rate box, okay, and click cell C7. This is cell C7, okay. Part C is complete. Now I'm going to do part D. Part D is type divide 12 immediately after date to divide by 12 for monthly payments. So I will divide 12. Okay. Part D is click diaper box and click cell C6. The substituted range name is loan term. So just click diaper box and select cell C6. Cell C6. Okay, that is loan term and name is loan term. Okay. Part F is type multiply 12 after loan term to multiply by 12. So I will multiply 12 with loan term. Part G is click PV box and type a minus sign to set the argument as negative amount. Click PV box and type minus. Okay. Part H is click cell C5 loan amount for the PV argument. A negative loan amount reflects the lender perspective because the money is paid out now. So click cell C5. This is cell C5. That is loan amount. Loan amount. Part H is complete. Part I is leave the FV and type entry box empty. So I am leaving this type and FV box empty. Okay. Part J is take OK the payment for the loan at this rate $186.43 shows as positive value. So just click OK and the value will be $186.43. $186.43. You can verify this value. Okay. Now I'm going to do part K. Part K is format cell C8 as accounting number format to match cell C5. Go to Excel worksheet and format cell C8. This is cell C8 and go to the home tab and you can see the number group and click accounting. Okay, $186.43. Our question number 3 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 4. Question number 4 is create a total interest formula. Part A is click cell F5 total interest. This value is calculated by multiply the monthly payment by total of payment to determine total outlay from this amount. You subtract the loan amount. So this step is just saying that click cell F5. So go to the Excel worksheet and select cell F5. This is cell F5. Part B is type equal sign and click cell C8 the payment. Type equal and click cell C8, that is the payment. Okay. Part C is type multiply and click cell C6, that is loan term. So type multiply and click cell C6. So this is cell C6, that is loan term. Okay. Part D is type multiply to multiply by 12 for monthly payments. Value types in a formula constant and absolute reference. So I will just multiply 12 with loan payment, loan term. Part E is type minus immediately after divide 12 to subtract. So just minus, just type minus. Okay. So part F is click cell C5, the loan amount. The formula is payment multiply loan term multiply 12 minus loan amount. Parentheses are not required because the multiplication are done from the right, followed by subtraction. So go to Excel worksheet and select cell C5. This is cell C5. So this figure is showing the formulas. Okay, equal payment multiply loan term multiply 12 minus loan amount equal payment multiply loan term multiply 12 minus loan amount. Okay, you can verify this. Part G is press enter. The result is $1185.81. So just press enter and result is $1185.81. Okay, you can verify this result. So I have calculated total interest value in cell F5. Our question number 4 is complete. No, I'm going to do question number 5. Question number 5 is calculate the total loan cost. Part A, select cell F6, total principal. This is loan amount in cell C5. So select cell F6. This is cell F6. Part B is type equal sign and click cell C5. The loan amount, press enter. So type is equal and select cell C5, that is loan amount, and press enter and press enter. So just press enter. Part C is click cell F7, the total cost of the loan. This is total principal plus the total interest. So click cell F7. This is cell F7. Part D is type equal sign. Click cell F5, type plus, click cell F6 and then press enter. The result is $11,185.81. So I will use formula. in cell F7 equal, and then F5, F5, this is cell F5. Type plus and click cell F6 and then press enter. Type plus and then click cell F6 and then press enter. Okay, I have find the value of total cost in cell F7 by subtraction of cell F5 and F6. Okay, and verify this value 11,185.81 dollar 11,185.81. Okay, so our question number 5 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 6. Question number 6 is set order of mathematical operation to build an amortization schedule. Part A is click cell B13. The beginning balance is the loan amount. So just click cell B13. B13. This is cell B13. You can see that. Part B is type equal sign. Click cell C5 and press enter. So type equal sign and click cell C5 and then press enter. So this is cell C5 and then press enter, and you can see the value of B13 is 10,000. Now I'm going to do part C. Format the value as accounting. Go to home tab and then go to number group, and you can see that I'm going to format this value as accounting. Okay, and dollar sign is shown in cell B13 with 10,000. Part D is select cell C13. The interest for each payment is calculated by multiplying the balance in column B by date divided by 12. So click cell C13. This is cell C13. So part E is type equal sign and click cell B13. Type equal and click cell B13. This is cell B13. Part F is type multiply and click cell C7. Ignore the formula auto complete list and note that rate range name is substituted. So type 12, sorry, multiply and click cell C7. This is cell C7, C7, this is cell C7. Part G is type divide 12. Parentheses are necessary so that division is done first. So divide 12. Part H is press enter and press enter. Okay, I have calculated the value of interest in column C13. Part I is verified the result $37.50 are formatted as accounting. So verify this result is 37.50 $37.50 and format this as accounting. So this is already accounting. Okay, now I'm going to do part J. So part G is select cell D13. The portion of the payment that is applied to principal is calculated by subtracting the interest portion from the payment. So select cell D13. This is cell D13. Part K is type equal sign, click cell C8, that is the payment. Type equal sign and click cell C8. This is cell C8, that is payment. Part I is type minus, click cell C13 and press enter. From the first month payment is $148.93 is applied for the principal and $37.50 is interest. So I will type minus and then I will click cell C13 and then press enter. Minus and click cell C13. This is cell C13 and then press enter. The value is $148.93. So this is principal value in cell. Okay, now I'm going to do part M. Click cell E13. The total payment is interest portion plus the principal portion. Just click cell E13. 13. This is cell E13. Part N is type equal sign. Click cell C13, type plus, click cell D13 and then press enter. The value match the payment in cell C8. So type equal sign and click cell C13. This is cell C13. Sorry, this is cell C13 and then type plus and then click cell D13 and then press enter, and you can see the value of E13, that is total payment, and this value is also matched with cell C8. Okay, is the beginning balance minus the principal payment. The interest is part of the cost of the loan. So select cell F13. This is cell F13. Type equal sign, click cell B13, type minus, click cell D13 and then press enter. So type equal sign and then click cell B13, that is B13, and then click cell and minus and click cell D13. Type minus and click cell D13. This is cell D13 and then press enter, and I find the value of ending balance in cell F13. Okay. These are formulas that are used in cell B13, C13, D13, E13 and F13, and I have already calculated the value of cell B13, C13, D13, E13 and F13. Okay. Our question number 6 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 7. Fill data and copy formulas. So part A is select cell A13 to A14. This is series with an increment of 1. So just copy this range and select this range in Excel workbook. So part B is drag the fill pointer to reach cell A72. This sets 60 payment for 5-year loan term. So I will use fill handler to drag the value in cell A14 to row 72. Use fill handle to 72, 72. Okay. Part C is select cell B14. The beginning balance for the second payment is ending balance for the first payment. So select cell B14, B14, type equal sign, click cell F13 and press enter. Type equal sign and click cell F13. This is cell F13 and then press enter, and I find the value of B14. Part E is double click the fill pointer for cell B14 to fill formula down to row 72. This result or zero display happen in accounting number format until the rest for the schedule is complete. So I will just use fill handle to complete. So you can see that row 72 is completed. Part F is select cell C13 to F13. So first copy this range and paste this range in Excel sheet. Part G is double click fill pointer to add cell F13, all formula or field copied to row 72. So I will use fill handle add cell F13. This is cell F13 and use fill handle. Okay. Row 72 is completed. Okay. Last values 0. Now I'm going to move part H. Scroll to see value in row 72. The loan balance reach 0. So you can see the value of row 72 as 0. Part I is press Control Home. I have done 7 question. Now I'm going to move question number 8. Question number 8 is preview the document and insert print titles. So part A select cell if A12. This row of labels should repeat on second printed. So just click cell A12. Click cell A12. This is cell A12. Part B is click page layout command tab and click the print title button page setup group. So just go to page layout tab and page setup. This is page setup group and just click print title. Part C is click the rows to repeat at top box and click A12. This is row to repeat at top. Click this and click cell A12. So cell A12. This is cell A12. Okay. Part D is click print view in the dialog box. Just click print view, print view. This is print view. Okay. Part E is click next page button in the backstage view to see print titles. So click next page. This is first page and this is next page. Okay, click next page. Part F is click page setup link at bottom of setting group and center the page horizontally margin tab. So click page setup, that is bottom of the setting. Part G, return to the worksheet and click OK and return to the worksheet. So I have done 8 questions. Now I'm going to do question number 9. Question number 9 is build the multiplication formula. So part A is click fee and credit sheet tab and select cell F7. Total fee from a course equal the number of student time the fee. So just click fee and credit sheet tab. This is fee and credit sheet tab. Part B is type is equal sign and click cell D7. Type multiply, click cell E7 and press enter. So just type E7, sorry, just click cell F7. So I will select cell F7 and I will use formula calculate the values in cell F7. Type is equal sign, type is equal and click cell D7. This is D7. Type multiply, type multiply and click E7. This is E7 and then press enter and press enter. Okay, you can see the value of total fees in cell F7. Okay. But see, double click the fill pointer for cell F7 to copy the formula. So I will use fill handle to copy the formula from F7 to F18. Just use fill handle. Okay, you can see the value of total fee from F7 to F18. So part D is verified that cell F7 to F18 as currency format. So go to home tab and this is already currency format. Okay. So part E is set a single bottom border for cell F18. So select cell F18. This is cell F18 and go to the home tab and then you will see border in font group. So just click border and then click bottom border. Okay. So I have done 9 questions. Your 50% assignment is complete. If you need complete solution of this assignment or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in description of this video. I am available for your help and I will provide you a plus grade. So don't worry about work. Thanks for watching my video. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.